stop.
Oh, damn it, idiot. I tell you to talk to Dr. Michelson about that.
Office, these are excellent hit dogs and beans, the best I've ever had.
Thank you, Your Holiness, but it's hot dog and beans.
Yes, of course. Cardinal Dorfus, do you smell something?
Why, no, Your Holiness, I do not.
Well, never mind.
Remember, Your Holiness, the words of the Apostle Paul. He who smelt it first hath dealt it first.
Yes, that is as it should be.
Why is he coming after me like that? He's a big guy. That must be Al. Al, what are you doing? Get out of here. You can't hear her.
My prayers have been answered.
And, you're very upset.
Oh, God. Oh, take me. Take all of me.